Deep in the crisp Arctic waters of Norway are elements essential for our health, found in their purest form. Our body requires these elements for good health. These nutrients are known as essential fatty acids, commonly referred to as omega oils. Max International was drawn to these pristine waters in our search for the highest quality ingredients we could find to harness the proven health benefits of these essential fatty acids. Our goal was to develop a premium oil blend rich in omegas that would be unmatched in its benefits. Max 357 is that proprietary blend, a unique formula of not just one but 3 omega oils. This unique combination works together to maximize the benefits for the cardiovascular system, supports brain function, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, aids digestion, and helps reduce discomfort from exercise and physical exertion. Omega fatty acids have been shown to provide benefits for the skin, hair, and nails, as well as protection against cellular damage to the brain, eye, and nerve cells from oxidation. The omega-3 oil in Max 357 is sourced from pure Norwegian cod oil. These pristine Arctic waters provide a clean and superior source. Our omega-3 is sustainably harvested by a family-owned fishery that has fished Arctic cod from these Norwegian waters for generations. We harvest the whole fish in our omega oil, creating a more sustainable product that is better for you. We've combined our cod oil with black raspberry seed oil, a complementary fatty acid that has been shown to support the immune system, plus it is a natural source of vitamin E. Max 357 also contains omega-5. The omega-5 oil in Max's 357 is sourced from pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranates are widely known for their high antioxidant levels. Studies suggest the omega oil from these seeds is uniquely suited to protect the digestive tract. Finally, our omega-7 comes from fresh pollock fish oil. It has researched benefits for insulin sensitivity, anti-aging benefits for the skin, hair, and nails, as well as for cardiovascular health. In today's busy world, where quality is often sacrificed for convenience, these essential fatty acids have been replaced by unhealthy saturated fats, sugars, and preservatives in our diets. Reclaim these important elements with the special combined blend of omega oils in Max 357. Support your body and mind with this complementary combination of omega-rich oils that provides your body the resources it requires to function at optimal levels. Max 357, your special blend for health, for focus, for life. Add Max 357 as part of your daily routine today. Max 357 Arctic Cod Omega Blend, your special blend for life.